Hello students, Sanjay Purohit here. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, question of trust supplementary. Is a good historical lesson. Students may able to easily understand that. It's a story of two thieves and it is said that you must set a thief to catch a thief. लोहा लोहे को काटता है. But it is also said that there is honor among thieves. चोरों के भी उसूल होते हैं. Which saying does this story illustrate? Let me say something first of all in the beginning of this lesson, like short summary. The theme of the chapter is that you should not trust anyone without finding out about that person. Howsoever smart looking, whether it is lady or a gent. The lady in the house pretended, feigned or showing false show to be the honor, and Horace Danby trusted her words. There are two characters, Horace and one lady. Horace trusted her words. She was a thief too, but Horace did not suspect her and trusted her entirely. Therefore, the trust that Horace placed in her was questioned, and there is a doubt whether he should have trusted her or not. Therefore, the title is highly justified, the question of trust. Now we'll proceed for this lesson. Everyone thought that Horace Danby, the main character, was a good, honest citizen. He was about 50-year-old and unmarried too. And he lived with a housekeeper who worried over his health. When housekeeper or attendant or caretaker we are keeping, they are always worrying about our health. In fact, he was usually very well and happy except for attacks of hay fever in summer. He was having allergic fever, that's what you call hay fever, in summer. What one can observe in hay fever, so actually a disorder affecting the nose and throat caused by allergy, whether it is to pollen grain or dust, whether it is flour or dust. कभी कभार सोप की भी होती है, but over here he was having allergy in summer. Sneezing problem, right? Snorting problem, running nose problem. He made locks and was successful enough at his business to have two helpers. He had got two helpers. His main task or main job is to prepare lock or made lock and key, and sometimes master key as well. Yes, Horace Danby was good and respectable, but not entirely honest. Generally, nobody is entirely honest. 15 years ago, Horace had served his first and only sentence in a prison library. How he had got that sentence? उसको कैसे सजा मिली? He loved rare, expensive books. इसका क्या हॉबी था? Profession wise he was a thief, but he loved some expensive books, some rare books that he wants to read and want to do something experiment on it. So he robbed a safe every year. हर साल एक तिजोरी वो तोड़ता था. That's why पहले वाले पैराग्राफ में देखा he was not completely honest. Each year he planned carefully just what he would do, stole enough to last for 12 months. ऐसी एक चोरी की जाए, ऐसा प्लानिंग किए, right? He would like to rob one big robbery of a entire 12 month. He could sustain himself. He could maintain himself and secretly bought the books he loved through an agent. इसको जो main hobby था to read books, rare books and expensive books, not an ordinary book. Now, walking in the bright July sunshine, he felt sure that this year's robbery was going to be as successful as all the others. इसको ये भी right doubt नहीं था बिल्कुल भी, ये साल की robbery भी successful ही जाएगी, likewise the other year. For 2 weeks, he had been studying the house at Shotover Grange, अब what is Greng? Sort over नाम है, but what is Greng? Greng is nothing. It may be a large farmhouse belonging to some monks, some nuns, or some solo people. Looking at his rooms, वो ऑब्जर्व तो करते हैं ना चोरी करने से पहले कि हाउ डज इट लुक लाइक. ऑब्जर्व एट इट रूम्स, its electric wiring, its path and its garden. How to enter and how to exit. ये robber कम thief पहले देख लेते हैं. This afternoon, the two servants who remained in the Greng while the family was in London. The entire family was in London. Only two caretakers, two servants, those who were actually taking care of that particularly house, had gone to the movies. और movies ultimately 3 or 4 o'clock का होता है, right? Not only that, but उसके बाद खाना वगैरह मतलब कि आराम से 3-4 घंटे निकल जाते हैं. Horace got the best opportunity. Horace saw them go and he felt happy in spite of a little tickle. Tickle means irritation, annoyance, गुस्सा करना, of hay fever in his nose. He was suffering from hay fever. Hay fever का आगे मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन कर दिया. Running nose due to allergy or pollen grains or dust. He came out from behind the garden wall, his tools carefully packed in a bag on his back. Likewise, students, he was having a bag in which he kept some tool, how to open the safe or how to burglar. There were about 15,000 pounds worth of jewels in the Greng safe. यहाँ जो फार्म हाउस में एक सेफ था उसमें कितने के वैल्यूएबल अमाउंट के ज्वेलरी थे? 15,000 पाउंड. इफ ही सोल्ड देम वन बाय वन, एक एक करके भी आराम से बेचे, राइट, ही एक्सपेक्टेड टू गेट एटलीस्ट 5,000. इसको कम से कम, राइट, 15,000 तो नहीं मिले, बट वो चोरी का माल है ना, राइट, थोड़ा सस्ते में भी बेच दिया तो ही वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग टू गेट 5,000. Enough to make him happy for another year. पूरा एक साल तो अपना गुजरान कर सकेगा, लाइवलीहुड कर सकेगा, राइट. There were 3 very interesting books coming up for the sale in the autumn. तीन एक अच्छी खासी उसके एजेंट ने उसको इन्फॉर्म किया होगा. He must be acquainted from the agent that there are 3 books coming, very rare, very expensive, but it is coming. Now he would get the money he wanted to buy them. और उसको ये 3 बुक बाय करने के लिए ये रॉबरी करनी पड़ेगी. That was his hobby, you can say. He had seen the housekeeper hang the key to the kitchen door on a hook outside. Hook मतलब कोई चीज जिसके ऊपर हम लोग लटका देते हैं. Especially हाउसकीपर को, राइट, वहां पे की लटकाते हुए हॉरेस ने देख लिया था. He put on a pair of gloves, took the key and opened the door. He was always careful not to leave any fingerprints. That's why, right, he was always wearing gloves. You must be knowing no two person having same fingerprints. A small dog was lying in the kitchen. Now, उससे भी तो दोस्ती करनी पड़ेगी. How to convince, right? How to persuade the dog not to bark at him? It stirred. Stirred means disturb, shake, weeping, made a noise and moved its tail in a friendly way. But he made a friendship, not only friendship, but also, right, the dog was waving a tail in a friendly way. So he must be doing, thief or robber or burglar must be knowing how to make a friend with the dog. All right, Sari, उसका नाम भी जान लिया. Horace said as he passed, all you had to do to keep dogs quiet was to call them by the right names and show them love. That was a simple technique. अगर किसी डॉग को आप उसके ओरिजिनल नाम से बुला दो, not by pet name, right, they love, everybody love. कोई इसको, right, साफ सुथरे नाम से बुलाए. And not only that, how to love them, how to love animals, वो लोग जानते हैं. The safe was in the drawing room behind a rather poor painting. Horace wondered for a moment whether he should collect pictures instead of book. For a moment, इसको एक idea आया कि rather than to, right, purchase a book, if he supposed to still, S-T-E-L, still these pictures, right, it would do. But ultimately, what he decided otherwise, but they took up too much room. Too much room मतलब ज्यादा स्पेस रोकते हैं. वो बड़ी बड़ी फ्रेम होती है, बड़े बड़े पिक्चर्स होते हैं, राइट. उसका घर छोटा था, राइट. बेटर टू कीप बुक्स रादर देन टू इमेजेस, या तो बेटर टू कीप बुक्स रादर देन द पिक्चर्स. So in a small house, books were better to keep rather than the images or pictures. There was a great bowl of flowers on the table, and Horace felt his nose tickle. उसको फ्लावर की भी एलर्जी थी, राइट, पोलन ग्रेन्स की थी, उसका टिकल और ज्यादा, मतलब उसका जो स्पेशली नोज उसको एनोयंस कर रहा था. He gave a little sneeze and then put down his bag. उसने थोड़ा स्नॉटिंग या तो स्नीजिंग किया, and then he carefully arranged his tools. He had 4 hours before the servants returned. इसके पास पूरे 4 घंटे अच्छी तरह से थे, आराम से बगलरी करके, चोरी करके वो वहां से निकल सकते हैं. Safe was not going to be hard to open. He was master in this regard. You must be knowing. The thief, those who are having, right, are preparing master key, they can easily open the safe, any safe. After all, he had lived with locks and safe all his life. The burglar, इसको क्रूक भी बोल सकते हैं, CROOC. हमने पहले लेसन में देखा था, चैप्टर नंबर 1 फर्स्ट, राइट. Robber. Alarm was poorly built. He went into hall to cut his wire. वो अंदर अलार्म बजे इसके पहले ही उसने उसके वायर कट कर दिए. He came back and sneezed loudly as the smell of the flower came to him again. He was having allergy of pollen grain, hay fever he was suffering from, and that was tickling him, but every now and then he was sneezing very loudly. So, how foolish people are when they own valuable things, Horace thought. A magazine article had described this house. कभी कभार लोग फेसबुक पे, राइट, अपने स्टेटस में सब कुछ रख देते हैं ना. Easily other person can able to guess your, right, planning, whether you are outside, whether you are at home. आधी चोरियां तो ऐसे होती है. वैसे ही ये जो, राइट, ओनर था घर का, उसने मैगजीन में आर्टिकल दिया था और पूरा घर डिस्क्राइब किया था, गिविंग ए प्लान ऑफ ऑल द रूम्स एंड ए पिक्चर ऑफ दिस रूम. रूम का पिक्चर भी दे दिया था, पूरे घर का प्लान दे रखा था. मे बी इट इंक्लूड्स एंट्री एंड एग्जिट. मतलब for robber, for burglar, for crook, it is quite easy to enter and exit. The writer had even mentioned that the painting hid a safe. और राइटर ने ये भी बता दिया था, right, what he had described, ये पेंटिंग, right, सेफ को छुपा के रखा है, हाइड करके रखा है. It's quite easy for him. But Horace found that the flowers were hindering, obstructing, restricting, checking, right, be an obstacle, hindering him in his work. He buried his face in his handkerchief. पूरा उसका मुंह हैंडकरचीफ में, राइट, उसने कवर कर दिया. Reason behind that, he was sneezing every now and then, and that not only may disturb him, but if someone can hear, his plan can be overturned. Then he heard a voice say from the doorway, "What is it?" सर्वेंट्स तो बाहर गए थे, तो ये कौन था? What is it? A cold or hay fever? जो भी था, उसने पकड़ लिया कि he was suffering from sneezing, he was having a cold or hay fever. Before he could think, Horace said hay fever and found himself sneezing every now and then. That was the hindrance, that was the obstacle. If that was not there, he could have easily done that. The voice went on. You can cure it with a special treatment. जाओ पहले अच्छी सी ट्रीटमेंट करवाओ, स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट. You know, if you find out what plant gives you the disease, I think you'd better see a doctor. If you are serious about your work, I heard you from the top of the house just now. You are not sincere about your job. Though you are thief, though you are burglar, though you are crook, though you are robber. So, you must have to take care of yourself. You must have to identify what kind of, right, hay fever or allergy you must be having so as to cure, and that will not disturb your job. ऐसा उसने सामने वाले ने जो भी था राइट एडवाइस दी. I think you would better see a doctor if you are serious about your work. I heard you from the top of the house just now. मैंने घर के ऊपर से तुमको सुनाई राइट तुम्हारी स्नीजिंग सुनी. तो I think he must be afraid कि वो पकड़ा गया ऐसा लगता है. It was quiet, kindly voice, but one with firmness in it. और उसमें firmness थी. A woman was standing in the doorway. She was none other than a woman. वो घबराई भी नहीं. And Sari was rubbing against her. तो मतलब घर की औरत लगी है. तो Sari मतलब के डॉग राइट was rubbing against her. अगर आप लोग देखो तो पिक्चर में she was young, quite pretty, right, smart looking and was dressed in red. राइट उसने कपड़े का भी विवरण कम डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है. She walked to the fireplace and straightened the ornaments there. Down, Sari, she said. Anyone would think I had been away for a month. सब लोग ऐसा ही सोच रहे थे कि मैं तो 1 महीने के लिए बाहर हूं. Sari. Anyone would think I had been away for a month. She smiled at Horace and went on. However, I came back just in time. तुम चोरी करो सेब तोड़ो इसके पहले तो मैं आ गई. Though I didn't expect to meet a burglar, but जैसे मैं घर में आई तो I was not expecting any burglar to face with. Horace had some hope because he seemed to be amused at meeting him. मुलाकात तो अच्छी हुई, but he was a burglar and that lady was smart. He might avoid trouble if he treated her the right way. उसको अगर बराबर संभाल लिया, right, he could do his job. He replied, I didn't expect to meet one of the family member over here. और मैं किसी फैमिली मेंबर को यहाँ पे एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था. But all of a sudden, you are there. She nodded. अब बराबर स्टोरी सुनना. Who was she? She was considering herself as an owner of the house. Mind well. And Horace too. She nodded. I see what an inconvenience it is for you to meet me. तुमको अच्छा तो नहीं लगा होगा ऑनर से मिलके. It is quite inconvenient. What are you going to do? क्या करने वाले हो? Horace said, my first thought was to run. मैं तो भाग ही जाने वाला था. As soon as I see you. Of course, you could do that. But I would telephone the police and tell them all about you. They would get you at once. पर अब भाग के फायदा क्या? If I supposed to call police, if I supposed to summon police, right? They will catch you first and at once. तो अब तुम्हारा भागने का इरादा बदल दो, right? Thus how lady outsmart him. What happened next? Horace said, I would of course cut the telephone wire first and then. मैं telephone wire cut भी कर सकता हूँ. And then he hesitated. A smile on his face. He was a smart thief. I would make sure that you could do nothing for some time. A few hours would be enough. मेरे लिए तो काफी है. I can handle you. She looked at him seriously. You would hurt me? क्या तुम मुझे hurt करोगे? क्या मुझे injured करोगे? With any of the tools? Horace paused. उसने थोड़ा right विश्राम लिया. Pause and then said, I think I was trying to frighten you when I said that. मैं तुमको डरा रहा था. I was actually trying to make you afraid. I said that. You didn't frighten me. तुम मुझे डरा नहीं सकते. देखो, lady was quite confident and how she was answering. Horace suggested, it would be nice if you would forget you ever saw me. Let me go. चलो compromise कर लेते हैं. Let me go. Right? ऐसा समझ लो कि आप मुझे कभी मिले ही नहीं. And let me run out of this house. Right? That will be the compromise. I will not take anything. I will not break the right safe. I will go away. The voice was suddenly sharp, but lady was smart. Why should I? You are going to rob me. If I let you go, you will only rob someone else. आज मैंने तुमको जाने दिया, कल तुम किसी दूसरे को लूटोगे. Society must be protected from men like you. Look who is talking. ये मेरा सेंटेंस बराबर याद रखना. Look who is talking. उसने क्या एडवाइस दी, राइट? यू विल ओनली रॉब समवन एल्स, सोसाइटी मस्ट बी प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम मैन लाइक यू। सोसाइटी को तो आप जैसे टॉकिंग that she won't allow such personality those who harmful to the society, and society must be protected from men like you. Horace smiled. I am not a man who threatens society. I am gentleman. I steal only from those who have a lot of money. हर एक चोर ऐसा ही बोलता है. I steal for a very good reason, and I hate the thought of prison. I don't like this prison. So what happened? She laughed and he begged, thinking that he had persuaded her. He was begging, और उसको ऐसा लगा कि उसने उसको कन्विंस कर लिया. हॉरेस ने वो लेडी को कन्विंस कर लिया. He had persuaded her. Look, I have no right to ask you for anything, but I am desperate, I am frustrated, I am dejected. Let me go, and I promise never to do this kind of thing again. I really mean it. I promise you, I will never do such kind of menacing work. She was silent, watching him very closely. Then she said, you are really afraid of going to prison, aren't you? Question tag hai, right? You are really afraid of going to prison, aren't you? Anybody afraid of being prison or imprisonment in foreign country especially? She came over to him, shaking her head. I have always liked the wrong kind of people. मुझे ऐसे wrong kind of people हमेशा पसंद है. She picked up a silver box from the table and took a cigarette from it. वहां से cigarette भी ली, right? Horace, eager to please her and seeing that she might help him, took off his gloves and gave her his cigarette lighter. He made a blunder. He made a biggest mistake that he had, right, removed the gloves. To please her, what he did, eager to please her, seeing that she might help him, took off his gloves and gave her his cigarette lighter. You let me go? He held the lighter towards her. Yes, but only if you will do something for me. If you are going to favor me, I will allow to run away. Anything you say. Don't give promises when you are happy, because it may be drastic. ने प्रॉमिस दे दिया, बोलो कुछ भी बोलो. Before we left for London, I promised my husband to take my jewels to our bank, but I left them here in the safe. मेरी सब ज्वेलरी बैंक में रखने के पहले, राइट, यहाँ पे सेफ में रह गए. मैंने मेरे हस्बैंड को बोला, I want to wear them to a party tonight. और अब मुझे पार्टी में वो ज्वेलरी पहननी है. So I came down to get them. मैं तो नीचे इसीलिए आ रही थी. But I saw you. Horace smiled. You have forgotten the numbers to open the safe, haven't you? One more question tag. You have forgotten the numbers to open the safe, haven't you? उसने उसको पूछा, तुम नंबर भूल गई हो क्या सेफ का? Yes, replied the young lady. Just leave it to me and you will have them within an hour. मुझे 1 घंटा दो, I will open the safe, but I will have to break your safe. But अब तो मुझे ब्रेक करनी ही पड़ेगी तुम्हारी सेफ, for your convenience, as you said. Don't worry about that. My husband won't be here for a month. वो तो 1 महीने तक यहाँ पे है ही नहीं मेरा हस्बैंड. And I will have the safe mandate by the time. और मैं सेफ को मैंडेट मतलब रिपेयर करवा लूंगी. अच्छा वर्ड है, मैंडेट मीन्स टू रिपेयर. हाउ स्मार्टली दैट लेडी fabricated the story that I want jewelry from that safe. I have forgotten the number. I don't have the key. My husband will come after the month. You break this safe and give me the jewelry inside, and then I will mandate it afterward. What a smart lady she was. So then afterward, what she did? Look at this. And within an hour, Horace had opened the safe. He was master in this regard, given her the jewels and gone happily away. उसको लगा कि उसने अच्छा काम किया, वो लेडी को हेल्प की. For 2 days he kept his promise to the kind young lady. उसने प्रॉमिस किया था ना, I will not do any kind of job. On the morning of the third day, on the morning of the third day, however, he thought of the books he wanted and he knew he would have to look for another safe. तो कोई एक दूसरी तिजोरी या तो दूसरी एक सेफ तोड़नी पड़ेगी. He wanted to buy that expensive and rare books. That was his hobby, right? But he never got the chance to begin his plan. दूसरा कोई planning कर ही नहीं पाया. Reason? By noon, a policeman had arrested him. Why he had arrested? For the jewel robbery at Shotover gang. Gang मतलब आगे बताया farm house. His fingerprints, what I told you, he made a blunder, he made the biggest mistake by removing the gloves. His fingerprints, for he had opened the safe without gloves, were all over the room. And no one believed him when he said that the wife of the owner of the house had asked him to open the safe for her. But ऐसा तो कोई owner था ही नहीं वहां पे. The wife herself, a grey-haired, sharp-tongued woman of 60, वो तो 60 year की old निकली owner तो, said that the story was nonsense, right? He was a thief and he had actually burglared my safe. Horace is now the assistant librarian in the prison. That was the sentence. He often thinks of the charming, clever young lady who was in the same profession as he was. वो तो thief थी, right? वो thief थी और वो, right? क्या कर गई? उसको, right? स्पेशली चीट कर गई ना, उसको चीट किया और चीट करके वो ज्वेलरी खुद ले गई. She was a smart thief, right? In fact, समझ में आया आपको? वो लेडी ऑनर तो कोई और थी. Horace is now the assistant librarian in the prison. He often thinks of the charming, clever young lady who was in the same profession as he was and who tricked him, outsmart him. He gets very angry when anyone talks about honor among thieves. ऐसा कोई भी honor या तो अपने उसूल होते नहीं है. Now, small summary that what I mentioned in the beginning. Theme of the chapter is that you should not trust anyone without finding out about that person. It was a flattery language. It was a smart outwit by that lady in the house pretended to be the owner, and Horace trusted her words. She was a thief too, but Horace didn't suspect her at all and trusted her. He was a smart planner, but not immaculate, not perfect. Therefore, the trust that Horace placed in her was questioned, and there is a doubt whether he should have trusted her. Therefore, the title is justified, a question for trust. Thank you very much.